Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Velar D240 R-Dynamic HSE in Indus Silver. This car's previously had only one owner. You have 22-inch satin light silver diamond tone finish alloys, and this car is next due for a service in November 2021. You have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've ever got your hands full. And as you can see, plenty of space in the boot for things such as holiday luggage, golf clubs and pushchairs. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things such as caravans, boats and jet skis. Going round and into the front, you do also have keyless entry, so I can press this button and the car will unlock. Our dynamic tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, great to open on a sunny day like today or just for some fresh air. And you have a windshield. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage, which is a real luxury and makes sure each journey is relaxing. If I put the car into reverse, you can see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, really making parking and reversing so easy. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. And you can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out of the vehicle. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning, cruise control, and you do also have blind spot monitor. All of those are really handy, especially down the motorway. A heated steering wheel, which is definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 4,152 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Velar in Indus Silver. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.